Welcome, guys. It's KOK Gift Baskets and more. I'm bringing to you some of my Mother's Day concepts. Guys, in these concepts I'm featuring today, I'm using the baby cakes makers. So in this one, I have the little plushie that I got after Mother's Day last year. And it says everything tastes better when mom makes it. So I use that little plushie. I have the wooden spoon here that says best mom ever. I got those from Amazon. They came in a 5-piece set. Each spoon has something different on it. I use one of the little coffee mugs from Dollar General. The baby cakes machine. This one is the waffle stick maker, and it's the beautiful yellow color. I also have a dish towel pot holder in here. I have the spatula, little basting brush set in, and I think that's all I have in this one. Okay, guys, this next one here, I found this little wall hanging, says just roll with it. So I thought, whatever kitchen concept I have, I'm going to use it. This wooden spoon says Super Mom. Have the same little plushie. This little snack saver in here. Now these guys we got also from Dollar General. So if you open up a packet and you want to reseal it, you can, I think it's battery operated, so you can reseal your packages, keep your food fresh. This one also has a waffle stick maker, a beautiful yellow color. Back here I have a spoon rest, dish towel pot holder, that same spatula basting brush set. So I wrapped this one in a beautiful paper from Hobby Lobby. This one is also the paper from Hobby Lobby. Okay, here's another one here. This one also has the waffle stick maker. I have a little travel coffee mug, a coffee cup in here. And this wooden spoon says, you are the mother everyone wishes they had. I have another one of the coffee mugs, the little plushie. This one I have a dish towel and dishcloth. Okay, this last one here, I have the plushie coffee cup. This wouldn't look like it's a fork or something. It says thank you, Mom. Have the snack saver. This one is the cake pop, the purple color there. That's the cake pop maker. I have dish towel, dishcloth, spoon rest, spatula, basting brush set. I also have a coaster set. So I put a coaster set in this one as well. They're slightly different just by a few pieces. But I think these are going to be some really, really cute little concepts here. I'm not sure the price yet. They won't be really expensive. So guys, I just want to bring you these. I'm going to try to bring you as many concepts as I can. I'm babysitting my granddaughter right now, and she's 4 months. And so she requires a lot of my time. So I won't probably be making as many videos as I normally do. But I just want to share these with you. One I've already wrapped and decided I need to go ahead and do this video now so I can get it done. This is another concept here, guys. I don't remember if I posted this one, so I'm going to put it in here just in case. I wrapped this one also with the beautiful Hobby Lobby paper, some roses, white with gold foil accent. So I have a rose bear. I have my necklace and earring set. I have a succulent. This is a Victoria's Secret Dreamy Petals lotion and body mist. I have a beautiful burgundy color purse, the scarf to match, some sunglasses, flower arrangement I made here. This is a beautiful wall hanging. It's a floral wall hanging. It has a dream on it. We got those from Dollar General as well. So guys, this is all I have for this video. I'll be coming back to you as I create and move on to the next gift concept. All right, guys, you guys have a good day, and I will see you on the next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.